Now what I'm saying that this particular Rohit has been stored in what? First, second, third. Originally what? 0, 1 and 2. That means in computer it is the second position. Second position is not this. Our second position is this if you do verbally or if you do in your copy. But if you do Python in your copy, then if you declare this one as a second position, that is totally wrong. This is not a second position. This is originally the zeroth one position. This is the zeroth position. This is the first position. So second position, which is highlighted and cursor is blinking, that is the second position. Then this is the third position. This is the fourth position. Sorry, this is the fourth position and this is the fifth position. So those are the different positions. What? So as soon as I say it, list 0, that means take out the value of the zeroth position. So it has printed 20. Next what I said, list 1 colon 3. That means start from 1 and stop before 3. Start from 1. 1 is what? 25. Then it come here and check is it second or greater than 3? No. Then it will take it. So when it come to the 3, is it equals to 3? Yes, it will not going to do it. That means you are not giving any loop here, but by default this particular program support one loop that is in hidden phase, and this loop will going to tally the particular work and take out, or else other word you can say it that without declaring it will come to the each of the address, and in that address position what is the value stored. Suppose in your house you are staying, next to your house your neighbor is staying, then there is another neighbor staying, sorry. So all these different neighbor who are staying there, so when you send a person, the person will go from one to another house and find out those neighbors. So therefore before of that neighbor it will going to stop. Okay, so list one, then it will be print out the list one. Now what we have I have done here, see list 2 asterisk 3, that means 3 times the list 2 will going to print. So this is your list 2. How many time it has printed here? See, first time, then the second time, then the third time. Okay, then what I have done, list 1 plus list 2, that means I am adding list 1 and list 2. This is list 1, this is list 2. So what, how it has been added? 20, 25, then Rohit. Okay, then 42, then 6 Shiliguri, then comes the value of the list 2. So this is what this one value has been printed first, then the list 2 value will going to print. This is what your list 1 and list 2, if you do it, if you add them this way, the list also, that means why I am showing you this one, I want you to know that we are adding as a sum 1 and 2 or sum a and b, all these things, but we can concate it. Here adding means concating. Okay, we are concating it, and this is what is adding means. That means list 1 and list 2 will concate. So what is the value of list 1 will going to print, after that what the value of list 2 will going to print. Clear? Now next program, let us come to the next one. Let us do this. That means which I was showing you previously. So what we have here, we have here if else if. Okay, if else if, this is if else if program. Enter the mark, suppose 69. Okay, now see, so if else if, now again I am running this program again. Let's run this program. 98. Okay, next again run this program. 5. Here, so this is what you are doing. That means I am doing here in this program, I am using else if statement many times. So if, that means I am now creating one particular loop. Okay, loop is started now. So this is the starting of the loop using a for, if, while, do while, this all will come in your conditions, different pattern of condition.